So in this video, we will be talking about how to use the counting on strategy when solving addition problems. So mental computation is a big focus from prep to 6, and when we teach mental computations, we follow a continuum. It is really important that we teach in a particular order so that students successfully grasp each concept. In grade 1-2, addition and subtraction is a big focus and one of the main concepts taught. Once students are able to count all supertised numbers from 1 to 10, which is recognising numbers, and petitioning numbers up to 5, they are then ready to work on the count-on strategy. So you can support your child at home by using different objects around your house. One particular activity that can assist students with the count-on strategy is screening. So you begin by giving your child a collection of objects. So Misha, these are your objects. And you're going to break up your collection of objects into 2 parts. So I've broken up my collection into 2 parts, and I'm going to get Misha to identify how much is in this first part. So Misha, can you count how many in this first part for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful. Okay, so now Misha knows that there is 10 in this first part, and now I'm actually going to cover up this first part, and Misha's now going to count on. So she knows that there's 10 here, and she's going to keep that in her head, and then you're going to count on.
10, 11, 12, 13.
So how many altogether now?
13.
Wonderful, good girl. It is really important that when using the count-on strategy that children do not count on more than 3 numbers. If they are counting on more than 3 numbers, this strategy is no longer efficient to solve an addition problem.